In June 1971, downtown stores closed early and JOS buses stopped running. Since May 7th, Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, also known as KSAMC, distributed notices to street vendors. They also gave a final verbal warning to them on the day prior to let the vendors know they needed to clear their goods off sidewalks by the next morning or actions would be taken by authorities. The vendors had blocked entrances to stores with their goods. Some sellers took the warning seriously and took their goods to sell instead at the Jubilee and Queens markets. However, many did not. Police were present downtown at about 5 a.m. that morning to make sure the sidewalks were cleared. As a crowd began to gather, some shouted that if they moved them, the stores wouldn't open. But verbal shouts didn't stop clearing their goods and removing stalls off the streets of downtown Kingston that included West Queen Street, Orange Street, Haywood Street, and West Street. A crowd of over 150 persons gathered and they marched to KSAMC carrying placards that denounced Mayor Eli Matalon, who they blamed for the fight to remove them off the streets. The mob was armed with sticks, stones, and other weapons. When the riot squad police came out, the crowd broke up into several groups. The small groups began smashing store windows, looting stores, and stoning buses throughout the downtown commercial district. Stores that took a chance to open pulled down their shutters as the police squad moved in after the mobs, who assaulted a policeman and terrorized shop owners. The riot squad eventually cleared the mob, and downtown shopping areas looked like a ghost town. But the anger of people continued, since later that evening, some ventured up to Crossroads where they smashed store windows at a shopping center. There were no winners on this June day. 13 were arrested, goods were seized, and stalls destroyed. Also, merchants took a heavy loss from damaged premises and looted goods.